Let's get to filming this bad boy. Oh, I gotta tie this first. I can't film a video if it's not tied. There we go. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I need a new intro. So today 240 is gonna get its exhaust finally, but before we do that I have to, well, I don't have to, but I'm gonna bleed the clutch first and then I'm going to do the exhaust probably. So I just picked up my downpipe the other night. It just came in and oh boy, it is magnificent. This is the PBM powered by Max, or parts by Max 102 Cobra downpipe. I was talking about it in my SR build breakdown video. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But this is a masterpiece. I don't know how good it's gonna show up, but like, oh yeah. My camera lens doesn't zoom in far enough. But the welds are amazing. It's got a flex pipe. It's got an O2 sensor housing and another O2 sensor housing. So in this one, I can put my AFR in and have that. And then I have my test pipe. It's Megan Racing, and then we got blast pipes. But before we do anything to do with the exhaust, I need to bleed the clutch. So I'm gonna do a really simple way of bleeding the clutch. All it involves is this guy. So it's just like a one-man bleeder hose contraption. I bought it at Lordco. You can pretty much probably buy this exact same one at anywhere that sells auto parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. It's really simple. I'll show you how to set it up and then we'll get to bleeding. Okay, so I recruited some help from my dad. No, I can barely see your hand. And Jack is down there somewhere. Where? I can't see you from there. There's the fingers. So so I am pumping the clutch. My dad, Eric, is filling the reservoir, and Jack is bleeding this, or opening and closing the sleeve. So what do you want me to do? Pump, Jack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold.
Down? Yeah.
All the way down. So
the process for this, I was doing it the weird way and it obviously wasn't working, so Jack came in and showed me another way. We're bleeding it basically the same way as brakes, so pump the clutch 5 times and then hold it. He cracks the bleeder, lets it flow, close it, I bring the clutch back up, blah 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 blah, and then we just have to make sure the reservoir is topped up all the time. So, oh, you can't see me at all. So yeah, we're just gonna keep doing this and I'll update you once it's done. Okay, so after about 30 minutes, give or take, we now have a nicely adjusted heavy 6-puck clutch. So the dead zone is right there. I might even need to adjust it some more. I had to adjust it from the bottom. Oh, my phone's still down there. But it's good now. So you can see it grabs right there and then goes. So it's a little, might be a bit high, but we'll see once it lightens up from break-in and all that, and then we'll have a better idea of what I'm dealing with for how heavy it is, because I don't know, I wasn't too stoked about the 6-puck clutch, but honestly if it were to stay like this it would be okay, but kind of iffy in traffic, I guess. So we'll see. I like it. It's not bad. Obviously I can't know how much it's grabbing, but yeah. So I had to unbolt my transmission again the other day, so I'm gonna bolt that up right now, and then I don't know what we'll do after that, but we'll find something to do. You know we will. Okay, so we got the transmission bolted up. Well, I got the transmission bolted up. Clutch is bled. It feels amazing. Obviously you saw it in the last clip. And now Jack is gonna go under the car. He's gonna do the steady bearing. And then I think we're gonna do the downpipe finally. So yeah, I'm super excited to get the downpipe on there. Then we're almost there. Then I just need to buy some braking oil. Oh, I gotta get transmission fluid too. I gotta make a list on my phone. I'm gonna forget like half this stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead or Jack's gonna go ahead, sorry, and put the steady bearing on and then downpipe. So I probably won't film the steady bearing because it's super easy. It's literally 2 bolts. Goes around the, well actually I guess it, Jack, what would you call it? The steady bearing like carrier?
Carrier bearing.
Yeah, the carrier like bracket basically for this carrier bearing basically.
Oh yeah, the bracket.
Yeah, right? Like I'm not going crazy here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Well, Jack's gonna do that right now. I keep saying we, but Jack's gonna do that, and then I think we'll do the downpipe.
Like that, you mean?
That was not that bad, actually. Okay, so thread one of your bolts, or thread like 2 of your bolts through so I can put this gasket on. And then...
Second shot.
Yeah, I know. That was actually surprisingly easy. So I thought this downpipe was going to be a lot harder to actually get into the space. But it's actually,
Here's the hole.
not bad. Find the hole, Jack. Find the hole. Got it. Okay, so that's on. So this is on you now.
Yeah, if it's this hot now.
Just get it threaded at least, and then I can throw one of my top ones in.
Yeah!
Did you drop the gasket, Jack?
I did.
Okay, so we got 3 of the 5, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, we got 3 of the 5 bolts in. It's looking pretty good.
Hey!
Hey,
Hey!
What?
why you swearing, man?
What?
That
Why
was
you
bait.
gotta swear, man?
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. I'm Chuck West, and I'm kidding. Oh god, I gotta keep that in just for that now.
Are you Brendan Rose?
Okay, so yeah, we got 3 of the 5 bolts in, and Jack's just working on one down there. I have one right here. It was being a pain. Oh, Jack, we forgot the lock washers. Okay, yeah, cut. Okay, so after a lot of struggle, Jack once again helped out and finished that up. I had to go pick up Brittany, so I dipped on him. But that is all bolted up. It looks really good. So now we're gonna throw in the test pipe and then bolt up the rest of the exhaust.
Hey!
Alright, mine's all bolted and tight.
Help me with mine.
Oh yeah.
How's it feel?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
A little heavy?
Ew.
Wow. Not as bad as you thought it would be?
Yeah. I mean, no.
Okay, so we got the exhaust fully done up now. Obviously, tips are very big. I can fit my hand in it, no problem. So, yeah, so we are officially at 3-inch straight piped to 4-inch dual tips. It's official. I'm actually allowed to say that my car's straight piped all the way now. So, straight pipe the world. So I don't know if straight pipes are really in style at the moment. It's been a year since I've had my car, so you know what? I do my own thing, and I always say straight pipe the world. Whenever someone asks what exhaust they should do, I just say straight pipe. So yeah, I am gonna do one little trick, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. It helps raise the exhaust up. It's like a common thing, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
So I'm gonna basically just be throwing some rad hose clamps on the exhaust hangers, and it basically compresses them so it pulls the exhaust up, which then gives me more clearance for being dirt nasty low, bro. Dude. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'll try and show you what I did. Okay, so I don't have any hose clamps like I thought I did that are big enough to go around the exhaust hangers, so that'll probably have to be for another video. Or maybe I'll just continue this video over to tomorrow, but I'll probably end up doing that. Okay, so I decided that I am going to test fit my new temporary wheels. So yeah, you guys haven't seen them yet. I'll show you them once they're on the cart. They're very ugly, I'm warning you right now. So they're just temporary. I really need to get them plasti dipped or something. Ooh, those rotors. No bueno. So yeah, I'm gonna throw them on right now and see how they fit. And it'll be interesting, that's for sure. Okay, so You can't really see them because my garage is too small. But those are the new wheels. New olds. I've had them for like a year. So yes, I am gonna paint them. No, they will not be purple. I'm probably gonna plasti dip them white. Like I said, these are just temporary wheels. I like the style of them, and like the rear fitment is pretty good actually. Oh, I have a lot of toe in. That's no bueno. Okay. Anyways, so but if you look up here, my fender is almost touching. So I'm probably gonna have to get my fenders rolled or roll them. I'll probably roll them myself with some help from some friends, but those need to be rolled. Maybe stretch the tire a bit more. But I definitely want to go lower. It's not low enough for me yet. Oh, my exhaust is almost hitting the ground already. You can't really see it on camera because it's dark, but right there you can kind of see the exhaust, and it's almost on the ground. It's about 4 inches, so I could definitely go lower. Frame's about 2 hands away, or a hand and a half maybe, so I can definitely lower it more, which I want to. Put some more rear camber in, roll the fenders. Might get spacers for the front because it's almost good, but maybe stretch the tire a bit more and lower the front. Bash bar is pretty low, but you know what, I'm happy with it. The car is finally on the ground again. The transmission and everything is dealt with. So I would say next video will probably be first starter. Maybe I'll keep you guys waiting a little bit more. So I think I'm just gonna end it here. We're going to a lacrosse game tonight, so gotta get ready for that, have a shower, and wash these filthy hands. So as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know how it is. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.